Okay, I grew up in Switzerland, a family of 6 children. 3 of us ended up to be chefs. I did my apprenticeship in Switzerland, which lasted for around 3 years. Then I traveled around in Switzerland, in different 4 or 5-star hotels. All 3 of us have traveled the world, mainly Southeast Asia. We all get to love Asia. For a long time I had a fascination to go overseas. I was trying maybe for a year or 2 to get a job overseas, and in the end, in a matter of 2 weeks, I left Switzerland and I was based in Kuala Lumpur. I even worked in Germany on a riverboat where we had a lot of VVIPs, American president, some crown prince from Saudi Arabia, etc., etc. So many VIPs in the past 30 years, I lost count of it. It's just another customer. Every customer is a VIP, so everybody has to get a special attention. We were living on the River Rhine, living on the boat. It was a boat which could hold around 1,000 passengers. We were around 5 chefs in the kitchen. Some days we even worked 20 hours. We traveled every day up, down the river. Sometimes we forgot where we are. It was a very challenging experience. When I come back from work, I usually enjoy the cooking of my wife. But in the end, it's a lot of fun. And we had a lot of friendship among the staff. After 30 years in the business, I have prepared a lot of different recipes. I spent 2 years in Kuala Lumpur. My English was very poor. I hardly spoke a word of English. In these trophies, you know, the spirit of the chefs is everywhere, you know. It's either a chef's hat or a chef or quali or something like this, you know. It's the first 2 weeks, my chefs in the kitchen, they couldn't understand me. We always understand each other, it doesn't matter, you know. Neither could I them. We picked up this, we need cucumber. And then I went over to Borneo. It was a new opening of a 5-star resort. That's where I met my wife. Traveling around the world so long. Favorite? Not really. Was back 1 year to Switzerland, back to Borneo, which I spent another 5 years, where we opened the first international hotel. I enjoy a lot. I enjoy cooking with fish. Seafood. Was very, very challenging. Nothing was available. We could not even find butter or cream. It has to be shipped in by boat. I even had to build a small smokehouse on top of the hotel to make my beef bacon and smoked fish. Sometimes even vegetarian. I'm rather enjoying creating some nice vegetable dishes. It's challenging, but it's nice. The rewards you get from your customers, once they are happy with your food, it's really great. Even one time we had a Scottish society and they want to have haggis. We had to do our own haggis. I also had to first look in a book what it is. I had no idea. So it was fun.
What is it?
Haggis? Stuffed sheep stomach. It's a national dish of Scotland. Let's not talk about it. Later on, you only remember the good times. The bad times are easily forgotten. Mainly I'm looking for something special. A little bit, if I go to a restaurant or something like this, I want something which rocks me a little bit, not the usual story. When I was in Thailand, I enjoyed some wild orchids. Okay, so we fry this bread with a little bit eggs. Beautiful mixture of tender, sweet prawns, the nice flavors of the fresh coriander, pepper, garlic,